3, 2, 1.
Together as one. Let's save Mother Earth.
I pledge.
I promise.
We promise. We promise.
Welcome to our channel.
We are the Nature Squad.
Hello everyone, the team members are Michaela, Ishi, Mark, John, Lisa, Shira.
And we're here to keep the Earth's heart breathing.
We promise. Number 1, we promise to conserve water and use it wisely.
We promise to conserve water and use it wisely to help protect our environment.
Number 2, we promise that we will be mindful of where we throw our trash.
I pledge to throw my garbage in the proper bin at all times. I promise to keep my surroundings clean and help protect our earth from pollution.
Number 3, we promise to reduce carbon footprint by walking.
I promise to walk or use a bicycle for short distance travel to help reduce air pollution in our environment.
Number 4, we promise to save energy.
We promise we will conserve energy, using resources wisely, and avoid littering to protect our planet.
Number 5, we promise to practice environmental care through planting. Small acts.
Big impacts.
Together.
We grow a greener tomorrow.